10K month once I got this right. Hey, I'm James Bill, and I'm going to share with you my story, my journey, how I made $10,000 in 1 month once I got this right. Let's get into it.
What's going on, lifestylepreneurs? Nick Anderson here with the man, the myth, the legend, James Beal.
When I first started out, I was kind of skeptical and afraid. Fear was a big factor in my beginning stages. And you have, guys, what you have to do is you have to dive all in. You know what I mean? You can't be like the people that's telling you can't do this, or maybe that's not going to work. You have to believe in yourself and take action and dive in, plug into the system, follow the training, listen to your coaches, your mentors, and whoever's doing well inside of your business or whatever business they're in. You need to follow them and use that as a pattern, guys. And this is how you have success, and that's what led me to my first 10K month online. And another thing you want to do is brand yourself. You have to brand yourself. No matter if it's Mary Kay you're working for, or Facebook, use somebody as big as Facebook. Because, prime example, you can build up a following. You can have friends on Facebook, even if you're not in business that you communicate with on a regular basis. But if you do something on there that Facebook doesn't like or agree with, they're going to shut you down. And now you can't communicate with your friends that you build up online. This is why what you have to do is just the same thing with a company. If you join or sign up with a company, okay, and you're having some success with that company and you're making a little money with that company, if that company closes down, what are you going to do? That's your business, that's your job. But when you're working for yourself online, you need to build your brand, your name, whatever you decide to name your company. Build your brand throughout social media. You build up a following, you build up an email list. So no matter who you sign up to work for or with, whatever happens, if they shut down, guess what? You still have your big name. You have your email list. You still can communicate with these people. And if you're in another business, they're still going to be right there with you guys. So you want to build your brand. And the way you want to do this is to, simply, on Facebook, post inspiring images, motivational messages, give value, life value, lifestyle, and you don't have to have gone overseas to these tropical islands like you see some of these gurus do. You have a family. When you go out to eat, when you go to the park, you go on dates, you may have to take a vacation, take pictures of all of that stuff and just post it and inspire people, and always motivate. And then whatever you learn, you want to educate them. And what this is going to do for you guys is you're going to become the hunted instead of the hunter. It's attraction marketing. That way you don't have to go out and chase anybody. People are going to see what you're doing, and they're going to ask you simply, what is it that you're doing? I'm interested. Okay? So I want to leave that with you guys. I hope you got some value out of this. And if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and hit the big red subscribe button below, and hit that like button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell. Anytime I have a new video, you'll be notified, guys, where I'm going to be simply inspiring, motivating, and educating you on how to make money online. I'm James Bill. Peace.